Hi everyone, in this episode we'll be replacing the headlight bulbs on the 9th generation Toyota Corolla 2001 to 7. Specifically, we'll be upgrading both the high beam HB3 9005 and low beam HB4 9006 bulbs to LED for better visibility. But before we begin, please subscribe to support the channel and help it grow. Why upgrade to LED? I decided to switch from incandescent to LED bulbs for two main reasons. One, improved visibility. The stock halogen bulbs emit an amber light, which makes night driving harder. LEDs provide a brighter and whiter light, improving road clarity. Two, one of my high beam bulbs had burned out. Instead of just replacing the broken bulb, I took the opportunity to upgrade all of them to LED. Now let's start with the high beam replacement. The high beam bulbs use the HB3 905 socket. I opted for Oxido LED bulbs. They're affordable yet reliable. If you're interested, I've included the product link in the video description and comments section. Installation steps. Passenger side. Unplug the wiring connector. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. Insert the new LED bulb and twist it clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the wiring. Driver side. This side is trickier because the battery blocks access to the bulb. You'll need to completely remove the battery before proceeding. Once removed, follow the same steps as the passenger side. After installation, reinstall the battery and test the lights. Pro tip, while testing, I discovered that one of my bulb sockets was already damaged from heat exposure. I eventually replaced it, but that's a topic for another video. Low beam installation, HB49006. The low beam bulbs use the HB49006 socket. Just like with the high beams, I went with Oxido LEDs because I was impressed with their performance. Again, the product link is in the description. Installation steps. The process is similar to the high beam installation. No major obstacles, just unplug, twist out, replace, and reconnect. However, due to budget constraints, I installed the low beams on a separate day. Results and conclusion. Now that both the high and low beams are upgraded to LED, the difference is night and day.
Okay, so yan na guys ang ilaw ng Oxito na low beam. Kita nyo, di ba? Napakaliwanag. Ito naman yung high beam. Yan, kitang-kita lahat. Pati yung mga langgam na umakyat dun sa puno.
Okay. I hope this video helped you understand how to replace and upgrade the headlight bulbs on the Toyota Corolla 9th generation 2001 to 2007 7. However, keep in mind that some models in different countries may have slight variations. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it. Check out my other Corolla related videos on the channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video and drive safely.